Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Mico. So without any further ado, let's get started. Mico is a social networking app that allows users to live stream, chat and interact with others around the world. Now in order to download it, first of all go to Play Store. In the search bar type in Mico. Then tap on the install button. Now after the app has been installed, click on the open button in order to use the app. So that is how you can download Mico. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video is helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.